Hi, I'm Dan Yoder. I'm the President and COO of NES Financial, and today I'd like to talk to you about our new product, the Loan Administration Solution. We focused on that as our next solution because 85% of the EB-5 projects use a loan model for their projects. What we've discovered is that while loan servicing is a simple concept, in practice it becomes very difficult. You've got to track the loan funding, how much money is funded in the project when, so you can calculate your interest rate. You have to send invoices to the borrower timely. You've got to track those invoices and make sure that they get paid. Then you've got to work out making sure the mechanics of the different disbursements are made correctly and in the right form. Some people want wires, others are okay with ACHs, and some people like checks. So you have to manage that for the different classes of people that are going to get disbursements. So the way that people currently solve this loan servicing challenge is with spreadsheets. When it's a simple waterfall calculation, or if there's not many investors, you can do that in your back office with a spreadsheet. Although what we're hearing is that a number of regional centers get very behind in providing invoices and being able to track the payments that they get from the borrower. As it gets more complicated, many regional centers have turned to using their accountant to do that. The accountant still will use spreadsheets, but they're finance guys, so they're going to be more timely and more accurate probably than somebody in your back office, although they charge quite a bit of money to do this service. So what NES set out to do was to provide a solution for the entire loan servicing space that's very cost effective and yet produces timely, accurate results. The first step in the process is to have our client services team study the loan documents and loan agreements so that we fully understand what all the terms and conditions that have been agreed on amongst the parties. They will make sure that they invoice the borrower on a timely basis. We also track to make sure the borrower makes their payments on time and collect all that data in terms of their payment performance so that from an accounting perspective you have all the data you need to make sure that your books are accurate. Performance against advances and payments can easily be viewed, as well as details about available cash balances from the performance of the loan. The center of the NES Financial solution is really the waterfall calculation, because that's where all the complexity comes together. And we took a lot of time to design how that works so that it can handle a limitless number of parties. It can handle the different compensation models that we've seen in the loan servicing space. And we're confident it could fit your requirements for your next project. On top of that, we provide portal access for all the parties, including the lender, the borrower, and the investor. This is available both on your computer as well as in a mobile format. Once the borrower makes their payment, then we have to deal with the disbursements. But this is an area where NES has a lot of experience and expertise from our 1031 business. In that business, our treasury systems manage $85 billion a year of cash flowing through those systems. So we have a wide range of statements and reports that we can customize for your situation. As we've seen, loan servicing can get very complicated very quickly, and that's why we created our solution. And we're confident it can meet the needs of your next project. So please talk to one of our salespeople about how we can help you on your next project.